These websites are really fast, sometimes instantly, and you don't even have to sell anything. And it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing either. It's a brand new website, and I'll be sharing with you this free platform where you have different ways to make money and get paid quickly with no previous experience. And if you follow all of the steps and you watch until the end, you will learn how to maximize your results with it. Now, I just want you to know that this is not a place to make big money online. It's just a platform where you can earn some extra cash when you need it. So don't expect too much from it, but it's still good as a side hustle, and it pays really fast. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I just want to show you this. As you can see, this is on and work from home opportunities on this platform. You can find many different ways to make money online, so whatever you prefer, or you can choose from this website and earn some distant amount of money you may need. Even if this was your first day online, you can still do this. It requires no previous experience. So even if you never made a dime online, you can still use this website to make some money. As you can see, free registration here. No investment needed. You can literally start with $0. And always do this without investing any money at all. You don't have to spend anything. It's absolutely free to sign up, and that will walk you through the entire process. They will pay you online every single time, and some of those payments are even instant. You have 24 hours a day online support if you need some help from them directly, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can still sign up for free and make money with this website. It doesn't matter if you're from India, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, United States, and Australia. It really doesn't matter where you're coming from, because this is globally available. It's available worldwide, and anyone can make money with this website. Now, another great thing about this website is that they accept different payment options. So you can get paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, Paid VM, bank transfer, or whatever payment option you prefer. I personally always prefer to use PayPal, so I can get paid almost instantly. And then I can spend that money on whatever I want to, but you can definitely choose whatever option suits you. So first of all, let's go through all of the jobs which you can complete in order to start making money with this website. Because as I said, there are multiple ways you can make money with it. First of all, you can complete different typing jobs, and you can earn up to $6 per page. You can do proofreading jobs, earning $5 up to $10 per page. And don't worry, you don't even need any previous skill for this, because I'm going to show you something in this video. Then you can complete different survey jobs. They will pay you more money. It will pay you $5 up to $50 per survey, which may seem like a lot, but I don't personally prefer to complete those surveys because they can sometimes be really long and boring. So it's just not worth it to spend so much time on them. Of course, if you want to earn some extra cash, you can also input your opinion about various products and services that you use, and you can earn money online by completing those simple surveys. You have different graphic design, job safety. You have some graphic design skills. You can also complete them and earn $15 up to $40 per job which you complete, which is also pretty decent. And I mean, you can even outsource this part if they pay you like $40 for a graphic design. You can eat and sometimes even to hire someone on Fiverr or other freelancing websites for like $5. And that way, you will earn $35. Pure profit without completing any of the work yourself. So you don't need any previous experience or skills for this. Just hire someone you can outsource this work and it still works. You can still make money with this section of the website graphic design jobs. I mean, even if you have some drawing and Photoshop graphic skills, you can definitely complete the job yourself. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you can outsource the work and get, for example, $30 or $40 for an assignment. Go out there and find someone in a freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, Truelancer, or Freelancer.com. Hire someone for $5 up to $10 and keep the rest as a profit. You can also complete different PowerPoint presentations, so you can create presentations and earn money. You can actually earn $3 per presentation slide, which is really a lot because you can make 10 slides in less than 10 minutes. So literally, that's $30 for such a job. It's really good, and I highly recommend that you focus on this as well. It's PowerPoint presentation jobs. You can also complete spreadsheet entry jobs and get paid to 20 to 40 cents per cell. It's also not bad, but it does require some time and effort, so I don't personally use this one. You can also complete voice recognition jobs and earn $15 up to $40 per assignment. You can convert their medical prescription slips into text tools and audio format. So all of these jobs you can actually outsource from other freelancing websites. You can definitely try to find someone on other freelancing websites and pay them $5 up to $10 to do the work for you. Then you can keep the rest as a profit without completing any of the work yourself. You can also post different ads for them. So that's really simple and easy, and it pays you 50 cents per ad what you post, and it can literally take you less than 60 seconds to post an ad for them. So you can learn more about it by clicking on this link right here. That will explain exactly how to do it and exactly how you can get paid 50 cents per ad. Which you post for them 10 ads, which you post that's already $5, 100 ads that's already $50, and so on and so forth. You also have language translation jobs. So for this, you can find different softwares online, which will translate those projects for you. So you can get paid up to $30 per page which you translate. So as you can see, you can get paid up to $30 per page which you translate. So they will send you a couple of pages. Sometimes that's gonna be a 5-page document, and that's gonna end up being up to $150 if you're able to translate it. You can either outsource the work from another freelancing website, or just find some software online that will do the translation job for you. Translation of various document formats from one language to another. You can learn more about that by clicking this link right here. So whichever job you want to complete, you can just click on the link below it, and you can learn more about it and exactly how you can complete it and exactly what needs to be done. Now you can of course complete any of these jobs you prefer. But let's say you want to do a language translation job, which will pay you $10 up to $30 per page which you translate. So that can quickly add that, because if they send you 10 pages, that means you can make up to $300 in less than an hour of work. That's just a lot, because sometimes they might send you 10, 20, or 30 pages, which you can translate easily and get paid almost instantly. That can be hundreds of dollars in a single day. So all you have to do is pick a job which you like and click on the link that's below it. So in this case, that's going to be this link right here, where it says a translation of various document formats from one language to another. Now you will be able to learn more about the project. In this case, it's going to say great clients reward work and the flexibility of working virtually. You can become a virtual language translator and get paid either full-time or part-time. So you can see that this may include Spanish, French, Arab, Hindi, German, or any language to or from English. So if you're able to translate a page from those languages to English or vice versa, you will be able to get paid $10 to $30 per page. 10 pages, that's $100 up to $300, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, you need to be minimum of 16 years old or above in order to complete these jobs and in order to get paid hundreds of dollars. A fast and reliable internet connection, and it's a really friendly job that's going to allow you to make some decent side income. The reason I'm showing you this website in particular is because you're getting paid $10 up to $30 per page, which is exceeding in the US average hourly wage for a virtual language translator. So this website is paying more than the US average hourly wage, which is really insane. Flexible hours if you're getting free from 9 to 5 jobs, and you can work wherever you want, whenever you want, or right from your living room in any time zone. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can be anywhere in the world and still be able to make money with this platform for absolutely free. The way you can start with this is by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page and just apply by clicking on the Apply to be a virtual language translator or whatever job you have selected. There's going to be a button right here where you can apply, so just click on that and you can complete more. You can complete the application by reading more information about yourself. Now this platform is called HireSign, and this is already hiresign.com. you can just come over here. You can read more about it in the homepage. Just click Start Working from Home, and that's gonna take you over to this page where they will tell you more about their benefits and benefits from working home, better flexibility, more time, and freedom. You have the freedom to work wherever and whenever you want to. If you want to find more about it, you can just click on Know More right here, and that's going to take you to the next page where you can learn more about their jobs. So let it load, and you can read more about it. Read more about how exactly you will be working with them, and exactly how you can get paid, and exactly how much you can get paid. So there are a lot of information on this page. But if you want to start completing those jobs immediately, just click on Current Openings right here. That's going to take you over to this page, where you can browse all of the different projects and different jobs which you can complete. They will sometimes pay you hundreds of dollars in a single day. Once again, if for example you complete the proofreading job that is paying you $10 per page, and you can complete 10 pages in a single day, that's $100. That's up to $100 for that proofreading job. You can find loads of different, absolutely free softwares online which are going to do the proofreading for you, so you don't need any English skills for this. They can complete the job for you. You even have softwares like Grammarly, which is absolutely free. So you can just go over to Google, search Grammarly, install it for free, and it's going to proofread the entire tags which they give you for the project. They will tell you exactly how much they will pay you. And of course, you can complete all of these different jobs, which as I said, can definitely make you hundreds of dollars in a single day. If you complete 10 pages for a translation job, you can get paid up to $300 in a single day. It might take you less than an hour to complete it. So once again, this is alreadyhiresign.com. Just click on Start Working from Home, scroll a little bit down, and click on All Current Openings. So you can enter those jobs, and you can start making money today. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.